How to fix Valorant unable to install error PC. If Valorant says unable to install or we couldn't install a required dependency, the problem is almost always related to Riot Vanguard permissions or blocked services. Follow the steps below in order. Step-by-step fix working methods. 1. Restart close Riot processes. 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC. 2. End all, Riot client, Valorant Vanguard. 3. Restart your PC, then try installing again. 2. Run installer as administrator. Right-click Valorant installer, run as administrator. This fixes most permission-related install failures. 3. Install on C drive only. Valorant installs best on the system drive. Use default path C, Riot Games, avoid DE or external drives. 4. Reinstall Riot Vanguard, very important. 1. Open settings, apps, installed apps. 2. Uninstall Riot Vanguard. 3. Restart PC. 4. Open Valorant installer again. It will reinstall Vanguard. 5. Enable Vanguard services. 1. Press Windows R, services.msc. 2. Find VGC, VGK. 3. Double-click each. Startup type automatic. Click Start. 4. Restart PC. 6. Check Secure Boot. Fixes dependency errors. Some systems block Vanguard if Secure Boot is off. Restart PC, enter BIOS, enable, Secure Boot, TPM if available, save and exit, try installing again. 7. Fix date and time. Wrong system time can block Riot services. Settings, time and language, date and time, set time automatically, sync time, restart and install again. 8. Temporarily disable antivirus. Some antivirus programs block Vanguard, turn off real-time protection, install Valorant, turn protection back on after install. 9. Redownload installer, delete old installer, download again, save on desktop, run as admin. Do not use cracked installers. Use Vanguard bypass tools, force DLL injections. These can break installation or cause bans. Quick fix order fastest. 1. Run installer as admin. 2. Uninstall Vanguard, reboot. 3. Enable VGC, VGK services. 4. Install on C drive. 5. Check Secure Boot. If you want, I can now generate SEO title, description, keywords, and hashtags for this Valorant error video like I did for